Welcome to Memi Tales!
A recipe for courage. In a small town, there lived a young chef named Leo. Leo loved cooking delicious food. His soups were warm, his cakes were soft, and his noodles were famous. But what people loved most was Leo's kind heart. Whenever someone was hungry, Leo would smile and give something to eat. One day, the town announced a big cooking festival. Chefs came with fancy dishes, colorful decorations, and expensive ingredients. Leo noticed a shy little boy standing far away, watching sadly. "Why aren't you joining the cooking contest?" Leo asked. The boy lowered his head. "I don't much have ingredients or anyone to teach." Leo smiled. "Then cook with me." Together, they chopped vegetables, mixed spices, and made simple dumplings. Leo taught him patiently, and soon the boy's nervous hands became confident. When the contest began, children rushed to their tables with shiny tools and fancy recipes. The little boy looked nervous. "What if I make a mistake?" he whispered. Leo smiled gently. "Good food isn't made by perfect hands. It's made with care." Taking a deep breath, the boy began cooking. He folded each dumpling carefully, remembering what Leo had taught him. The smell of warm spices filled the air. Soon, the judges arrived. They tasted cakes, soups, noodles, and finally, the simple dumplings. The judges looked surprised. "These are wonderful," one said. When the winners were announced, the little boy couldn't believe his ears. He had won a special prize for best heartwarming dish. Tears filled his eyes. "You should take the credit," he told Leo. But Leo shook his head. "No," he said kindly, "the secret ingredient was always inside you. You just needed someone to help you find it." From that day on, the boy cooked with confidence with Leo. And in Leo's kitchen, everyone learned the same secret. Great cooking is not about expensive ingredients. It's about kindness, courage, and sharing what you know. When we help others believe in themselves, they discover their true talent.